Hey, how's it going, guys? Mario from Inside the Garage. We got ourselves a Kia Stinger with a 3.3 twin turbo engine. Today we are replacing an alternator on it. Customer reports that their battery wasn't charging, the vehicle died on them, and the alternator ended up seizing up on them, and the belt completely melted. As you can see, a lot of the gunk inside there. So to remove the alternator in this car, we have to drop the engine in order to access it, because the turbo, as you can see, gets bolted up right in the way of our alternator. So we gotta drop the whole drivetrain down on the chassis, or on our cart here, just to access this whole alternator. So you think something so little like that would be so quick and easy? No, not always.